Everyone, I want to do a quick video of this Chevrolet 4.2 in my 2003 Chevrolet Trailblazer. So, things with these ignition coils, whenever you go to set them on, some people end up with multiple cylinder misfires afterwards, or their vehicle's not running right anymore after doing the spark plugs. So, what I have come to find, once I can get around here, so disconnect this hose here as well. Make sure there's nothing else in the way. Also, there's a hose down here. It goes into the valve cover. So we're going to go ahead and lift that away. And then we can separate the throttle body. Let me open that some more. Come on out. Thank you very much. Okay, so what I have come to find, whenever you're doing these ignition coils, sometimes these pins that are inside the ignition coil that connect to the connector, if you do not set this in straight and you end up coming in at an angle to push in, what you can end up doing is bending one of those pins, and then it doesn't actually fully connect into the connector. What it'll do is push it away, but you'll hear this click. So you'll think that it's all the way on properly, but in actuality, it's got no connection, and yeah, it'll cause misfires. So I did not do this. This was actually the last owner, so just ignore that there. It actually works, and reason for it is they stripped the bolt at the bottom. It's not very easy to get a tap back there, so I left it as it is. It's a work vehicle. It's actually a really good vehicle. Uh, but yeah, so just when you're doing your spark plug, just be careful when you're putting your ignition coils back together that you don't bend those pins and just go in nice and straight. And there it is, little short video for you guys on a misfire after doing your tune-up.